Battery-powered toothbrush activates deep cleaning power of 20,000 sonic toothbrush strokes per minute at the touch of a button. 2x whitening action by using the polishing cups and bristles on the whitening toothbrush. Polishing cups remove teeth surface stains while spiral polishing bristles whiten teeth. Soft toothbrush bristles for a more gentle and effective clean from this vibrating toothbrush that aids in the removal of plaque from hard-to-reach areas. Battery-operated toothbrush features a built-in tongue and cheek cleaner that removes bad breath bacteria. Replaceable AAA battery included. Toothbrush head is not replaceable. Contains one battery toothbrush and one AAA battery. Whitens teeth 2 ways. Experience a whiter smile and a healthier whole mouth clean with the Colgate 360 to the power of 0 Optic White Sonic Power whitening toothbrush. The Colgate 360 to the power of 0 Optic White Sonic Power battery toothbrush combines 20,000 sonic toothbrush strokes per minute with spiral bristles and polishing cups to help remove dental plaque and surface stains. This vibrating toothbrush uses these sonic strokes to remove and break up plaque for a healthier smile. This battery-operated toothbrush for adults includes a tongue and cheek cleaner to remove bacteria for a whiter, healthier whole mouth clean. One replaceable AAA battery is included. Top reviews from the United States. Great brush. Terrific battery-powered toothbrush. I brush twice daily. It lasts 4 months or a little more. Unlike the electric ones, there aren't any cords. Makes it easy to travel with. My only con, the bottom isn't flat for easy storage. I toss it in my drawer. A great bang for your buck.